really important to support small business because they are the backbone of Australia. Such a significant number of businesses in Australia are small business. And if we don't get behind them and support them, then we're just not going to have that industry and that type of business in Australia anymore. There have been so many ways businesses have adapted that I've seen either through work and hearing their stories, but also in my personal time. I know my local coffee shop was struggling a bit because no one was going to work in the morning, but he expanded his hours and he actually utilized a pizza oven that he'd put out of operation earlier and started serving pizza at nighttime as well to increase his business, which was amazing to him, but also amazing for the community to be able to have really good pizza on hand as well. I think the best thing you can do to support a small business as a customer is to really just get out there and see what's around you rather than going, to the place you're used to going that might just be a big brand for convenience. Do a little bit of research, find out what's in your area or in your state, if they deliver to you or deliver interstate, and find those businesses that you can support that really need it during these times as well. I'm inspired by, every small business owner that I've spoken to since March when COVID really took off, just hearing how they've persevered and pivoted. Everyone's had an individual story. I've spoken about, my local coffee guy, but for every one of those, cafe owners or shop owners, there's so many more just in one area who've pivoted and have really put in endless amount of hours and brain power and passion to keep going. And I think they're all worth celebrating, and it's all really inspiring.